Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the seed of Minecraft Realm Bedrock. Make sure to watch reading to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is to go to your Realm section. Once you go on your Realm section, it's going to show you this section right here. So you're going to click on the world that you would like. And from here, you're going to select exactly which world you would want. And then from here, it's going to show you to the settings. And all you have to do is to scroll all the way down in game settings and click the button that says download world. Once you do that, it's going to start downloading and we'll save it as a normal world. Once that is done, you go back to your world and you can see there's now a copy of the realm as a normal survival world. And so from here, just click on the button that says edit. And then from edit, you can go to advanced and then you can see the world seed right here. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.